A lot of you guys have been asking us about accelerated programs of ACCA or accredited programs being offered by ACCA. In case you don't know what these programs are, don't worry. In this video, I'll be covering exactly what these programs are, how you can apply for them, things to know before enrolling into them, and everything else. At Zell, we offer training for all these professional qualifications in finance and accounts, such as ACCA, CFA, CPA, CMA, and much more. I'm Rashesh, I'm an ACCA member myself, and in today's video, I'll take you through all these questions that you might have with regards to ACCA's accredited programs. Please show us your likes, show us your comments, and subscribe to our channel so that you stay up to date with anything that you need in this professional journey of yours. Having said that, let's try and understand what these programs are. So, a lot of colleges and universities in India, especially after the new education policy, have started tying up with ACCA and offering accredited programs. What this means is the curriculum of ACCA is integrated in the curriculum of a bachelor's or a master's program such as an MCom, a BCom, a BBA, and so on and so forth. This allows you as a student in this program to ensure that you are not duplicating any of your studies. Without such a program, what you would have otherwise done is you would have studied your bachelor's or your master's from your normal Mondays to Fridays, and over and above have had to study each and every ACCA paper one by one. An accredited program not only gives you this power, which means that your ACCA curriculum is integrated in your bachelor's or master's curriculum, but also this comes with a handful of exemptions. Normally in India, a BBA gives you one exemption, a BCom gives you 4 exemptions, and so on and so forth. If you want to find out more about how many exemptions are available in case you've already graduated, there's a specific video we've made on this which you can check out. An accredited program commonly gives you 6, 7, maybe up to 9 exemptions as part of your ACCA journey, which means you're left with around 7 to 4 papers that you would have to give, which you can give and complete within your 3 years or 2 years of your bachelor's or master's programs, or essentially just a year more that you would take to complete your complete ACCA journey. To find the right accredited course for you, luckily ACCA has made it extremely easy. Just visit the ACCA's website or directly look up ACCA exemptions calculator, put forward your region, and try and find out what universities are offering such programs in your surroundings. You can also reach out to us to try and understand in your region which are the best university partners that might give you the right course that you're looking for. The second step for you would be to understand exactly the course curriculum. This brings me to a very first important point that you need to understand when opting for such programs. Ensure that whatever exemptions you're getting are covered in the curriculum, because only then will you get the vital knowledge that you need to clear the remaining exams. If you get 6 exemptions but you do not have the base that you need to clear the remaining papers, then you will struggle there. If the 6 exemptions are granted to you and the knowledge is covered, then you're well set to clear the remaining papers and conclude your ACCA journey. One misconception that a lot of y'all might be having is, when exactly do I get these exemptions? Because normally, if after my BCom I get 4 exemptions, after my BCom if I'm going to get 6 because of this, it doesn't make a huge difference. So to clarify this, guys, understand one thing. You get your exemptions on day 1 of your program, which means in my first year of my program, I get 6 exemptions or whatever exemptions that they are offering to benefit from. I can directly start from my 7th paper and give the remaining papers. After my 3-year or a 2-year program is concluded and I have my mark sheets, I submit those mark sheets to the ACCA and I convert my conditional exemptions into permanent exemptions, and that is how the system works. Right. Finally, in case you're someone studying from a remote part of India, due to the national education policy, a lot of these programs are also online only, which gives you a strong upper hand because you can benefit from the same programs with the same value, the same number of exemptions, but studying online. So there is no limit to how much you can benefit by going with such a program. In case you've already done an accredited program, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Let the community, let the students know how your experience was. In case you're looking to connect with someone to guide you through the remaining part of your ACCA journey, do reach out to us to try and understand how can you possibly get trained for the remaining papers and any other doubts that you might have. So that brings me to the end of today's video, guys. If you still have any questions for us, we'd love to answer them. Please let us know in the comment section, and any other doubts you have, we'd love to answer. Thank you.